Hi, let's talk about Bitcoin's monetary policy. Now, before understanding what is Bitcoin's monetary policy, let us understand what is a monetary policy. So, monetary policy is actually something which is controlled by the government of our country. Okay, so let's say if we talk about a government, it is in government control that how much supply of money they want in the country. So government has a machine with the help of which they can print money, right? We all know that. And how much supply of money is needed in a country is actually decided by the government of our country. So the total supply of money is in the hand of our government, right? So they can increase the supply of money, they can decrease the supply of money. It is all under the control of our government, and this is something not very good, and we will see that why it is. But for now, I hope you understand what is a monetary policy. Let us understand Bitcoin's monetary policy. So Bitcoin monetary policy has two things. First, the halving, and another thing is block frequency. Let us understand these one by one. So what is halving? So according to Bitcoin monetary policy, the Bitcoin reward that is given to the miners will get half after every 4 years. So if you will see, in 2009, the reward was 50 new Bitcoin. In 2012, it is 25 new Bitcoin. In 2016, it is 12.5 Bitcoin. So for every 4 years, the reward is getting half of the previous year, right? So 50 divided by 2, 25, 25 divided by 2, 12.5, and 12.2, 5 divided by 2 is 6.25. And not only this, the block number are also responsible. So for every 200 and I think 2 lakh now, 2 lakh 10,000 block, 2 lakh 10,000 block, you will see that the Bitcoin reward system, the rewarding system that is given to the miners will get half, right? So it is 2 lakh 10,000, then it is 4 lakh 10,000. So this is like this, okay? And after a particular time, that is after Bitcoin has hit 21 million in total supply, at that point of time, Bitcoin will get exhausted. Means the total supply of our Bitcoin is only 21 million. And it is estimated that by 2140, we will reach at this number when we will have 21 million Bitcoin in our supply, in our market, okay? And after this point of time, there will be no printing of Bitcoin you can think of, or no rewarding of Bitcoin to the miners. Now you must be thinking, if there will be no reward for the miners, right? Because after 21 million, there will be no reward for the miners because no new Bitcoin will be rewarded. So how miner will earn money? Then miner will earn money from our transaction fee. So whenever you do a Bitcoin transaction, apart from these rewards, miners also get a transaction fee commission. Okay, so you provide them a transaction fee. So by that, it is estimated that by that point of time, there will be various people, like there will be many people who will be doing these Bitcoin transaction, and from that transaction fee only the miners will make profit. Okay, now there must be this question also, that why there is a supply cap of 21 million, like why not infinite number of Bitcoins? And the reason for it, like the reason that I can think of, is that by limiting the supply of Bitcoin, we are actually making the value of Bitcoin more. Like gold, silver, these are our precious metals, and these are very rare, right? These are very rare. You cannot print gold in your home. You cannot create a silver in your home. In the same way, the supply cap of Bitcoin is maintaining this rarity thing, so that if the supply of something, just remember this simple economic principle, that if the supply of something is less than the demand, if the supply of something is less than the demand, then the value of that thing increases, right? And in the case of Bitcoin, I think Satoshi was thinking that why not make Bitcoin just like gold, just like our silver, means let Bitcoin be rare on earth, means do not have infinite Bitcoin, just have rare amount of Bitcoin on our earth, okay? And if we do not have a supply, then situation like this can also happen. So this is a $100 trillion note, which is actually being used in Zimbabwe just to buy some loaf of bread. Yes, this is true. So what actually happened in Zimbabwe, you can read about this in much more detail on Wikipedia, that Zimbabwe started printing money at a much faster rate. Means the president of Zimbabwe thought, why not to equally distribute money to all the people so that there is no gap between rich and poor. So he started printing money. So as he started printing money, the supply of money got increased, but the demand was not increasing at that rate as supply. So due to which, since supply was more and demand was not that much, the value of our currency, the value of Zimbabwe currency got decreased, and due to which Zimbabwe needed this $100 trillion note in order to just buy some loaf of bread. And I think this is also one of the reason that Bitcoin has a limit of 21 million cap, so that this type of situation does not happen in the future. And second monetary policy of our Bitcoin is that on an average, it will take 10 minutes to create a new block. Okay, so if you are thinking that you can create a block, in just 1 second or 2 seconds, it is not going to happen. It will take around an average of 10 minutes in order to create a new block. So this is also one of the monetary policy of Bitcoin given in the Bitcoin algorithm. And now, like, who is deciding all these things, right? Who is deciding the block frequency? Who is deciding this halving period? Each and everything is actually being controlled by the Bitcoin algorithm. There is no central authority who is controlling these, like this thing. This is all done by the Bitcoin algorithm, and this is the beauty of Bitcoin, right? There is no central authority who is controlling all these. This is totally dependent upon how the miners are mining Bitcoin, or how the people are actually using Bitcoin. So I hope you like this video. If you have liked this video, please click on that like button. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please subscribe to this channel, because I'm regularly going to upload new blockchain courses on this channel. If you want to connect with me on Instagram, the link of this Instagram is given in the description. You can join me there. You can directly interact with me there. And if you want to join our blockchain developer community, Discord link is given in the description. If you have any doubts, you can ask your doubts there also. So meet you soon in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.